Some of una Cameroonian, they una bring them, they too cheap, yeah. I swear to God. Let me say for 1 second, una go think for una mind. Say an individual go take telephone, call presidency, make a band show. Like seriously. Una mind and a poke there for inside. Let me say Cameroon presidency don't become this cheap and lazy way they don't get work again. They go to check now after petty things. Show. Musical concert where even a commissioner self for that area get right for ban a musical concert if they get any threat, security threat. Even if na Michael Jackson they perform. It been a one way na individual. And then the individual again na comedian. All Pancho Siwa International. Show go up, show can down. They ban Naira Marley show because Naira Marley practices the online. No match with the fight where Cameroon government they fight them. Cameroon government they fight about against drugs. And with the fact said they never arrest some of these artists, they like Jovi them, Malox them, Mr. Leo them, and this Gasha the way they smoke online. It don't make the thing where they do them a good thing. And for una the thing say, sometimes I just come out today so I just start this campaign. Sometimes when I think I just come out, I start to talk palava, I say drop online. When I watch this picture, when I look the picture fine. When I see the picture, this picture, now 7 years ago before Anglophone crisis, this picture. These two boys, these two people now they see them for years so. They be not spoiled, but you look there, you know, saying are mad people, but they were not mad. Drug addict, they don't scatter completely. See their faces then. Now me, single-handedly, I brought them out from the ghetto. Changed their life completely.
Una welcome back for Congo Sang Gossip TV. As una don't listen, na some comedian, some Cameroonian comedian, where he talk so, where he don't bring this matter up. So if na your first time this way you the worker for the street of YouTube, you decide for stop for my channel, I beg you watch this video till the end. Don't forget for like, you subscribe and turn on the notification bell, my people, so that whenever I upload, you will be notified, my people. As soon as I don't listen, this one a comedian, CY International or Old Pancho, Cyril International, as they call it for different platforms, my people. Some time ago, when the members say on the 14th of February for 2021, my people, Naira Marley, when a Nigerian artist, he begets for perform for Boya. After some few hours before the show, my people, they transfer them, they send the show for Limbe. Few hours before the show again, they transfer them for Boya. And finally, Naira Marley, he no be carry on with the show again, he go back for Nigeria, my people. So because say people, they be no say na ye be talk about them. A lot of people they become against him, my people. Now he come out, he can talk say some of una know the reason because the time the matter be come out, they be talking now from presidency where they call for cancel that show, my people. Now we talk say how some of us Cameroonians they would think say one person and even comedian for that matter, if he call presidency for say me the council show, it talks say even DO or SDO for that place where they want carry out the show, he get the right for block the show so long as he dey against constitution or he dey against some cause where the country the fights for. So or the fight against my people. Now where it come out, so I want to point out the 2 points the way this CY International it the fights for. The first point where it the fight for na say he want make fellow Cameroonians and support Cameroonian artists. It talks say if you now look for Nigeria, for example, they play 99.9 na Nigerian music that they support their own. If they make their own, they go their music industry. If they go for up, but Cameroonians they know they support their own. So you go for an occasion, they go play 99.99 foreign music. Them you go for snack, you go for nightclub, my people. They go they play na foreign music. Them very few Cameroonian music they go play for inside Cameroon. So now if we Cameroonians they will know support our fellow Cameroonian artists, them who go support them. Now they bring up the theory say may they play 90% Cameroonian music and 10% foreign music. Them now it talks about the ban Nigerian music for Cameroon. It may be the way it be take and talk, it no be the correct one, but if una should not, una see am, una go reason and say wetin he actually talk, na the truth, and a very good thing wey he talk, my people. Because say some picture the way he go show for you with na some Nigerian DJ, he talk say them Nigerians that they play 99.9 na only Nigerian music because say wait na their culture that they support their own. So he advise say me Cameroonians them they start playing 99.9 of Cameroonian music so that them too go support their own, my people. So even see why no be only he talk the matter, even some Nigerian DJ he talk so now wait that way they supposed for do. So the second causeway CY International they fight for my people now against drug consumption. It talks say we Cameroonians we already get lots of artists the way that they smoke online, they never do nothing for them. So we know if we actually accept say make another person for another country, it come add to what you already get for hand. Una they understand. Then again, Naira Marley na person where he get a lot of influence for youths, my people. He no go come for Cameroon. He actually they smoke Igbo for inside a room, then they show him for social media. Because now wait that way happen. Now after that post with Naira Marley, he be post where he there for social for inside a hotel room, he they smoke Igbo, he post them. Now he worsening the situation again, my people. Now they come out say no. Naira Marley he go be a bad influence for the youth. Because the one we already get people the way that they influence the youth indirectly, badly with the smoking way that they smoke for online. It make us so he calls some few names them for the artists. He called Jovi, he called Malox, he called Mr. Leo, he called Gasha. Una know na he called few people. They said them already the day so my people that they smoke weed online, that they smoke cigarettes online. And if Naira Marley he get plenty influence again, he can't join this matter. That me say Yawa don't gas my people. Now for that he talks say he dey against weed smoking and he wants to make fellow Cameroonians they support Cameroonian artists them so that we too go grow my people. Now he don't come out say when I think say that today we Easter fight the cause for say may they stop cigarettes, may they stop drugs, my people. He said no be today. Now for that he don't go move picture for 7 years ago, my people. 7 good years ago where he been know these two people there, my people. He helped them. They come out from that act of taking Igbo, taking drugs. He said he personally and single-handedly transformed their life, my people. So now where he talks, no be today where he start fight the cause. He don't fight this cause before. So may they no see like say he get personal problem with Naira Marley. Now say Naira Marley na bad influence for the youth, and we already get artists the way that they do a lot of things they already way they influence youth poorly. So me Naira Marley, Komoka add his own on top, which we will already get. So my people, now these two causes the way when the CCY International it fights for, and I believe say the first and the second cause it makes sense because the first cause now say make we support our own so that our own music industry too it go climb for up, my people. And the second cause as soon as done here now it fights against drugs. These same drugs so plenty Cameroonians and Nigerians that they fight against because they get bad influence, my people. Anyway, we'll go stop for here. If you dare you never subscribe for this channel, what do you wait for? I beg like this video, you comment, you subscribe, my people, and I go see you now for my next video.